Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by downloading your new defaults. When you're ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access apps. Click on Default Apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now click on one of your downloaded ones to apply it, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!